Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to turn on auto sprint in Apex Legends. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. You can easily turn on auto run. Only you have to do is press up on the left thumbstick or the W key. You automatically start sprinting and you no longer have to press shift or click in the left thumbstick. Or otherwise you can automatically do it by enabling the auto run on the settings. Just click the gear icon and enter into your settings, and on the gameplay just scroll down. Yeah, you may see auto run. Now it's in disabled condition. You need to turn on to enable. Once you enabled, on the gameplay you just need to click the shift double time to enable the auto run on your gameplay. Double tapping the left side shift will start an auto run, making you to sprint in the gameplay. Yeah guys, this is how we need to do. I will show you how it's work on the gameplay. Let's see it.
First blood.
Yeah, here what I'm gonna do is just clicking the L shift. Yeah, it's automatically turn on the auto run. Yeah, you need to do it by double. You need to tap double times. Yeah guys, this is how it's work. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.